India has become the first country in history to set foot on the lunar South Pole. The nation's Chandrayan-3 mission successfully executed a soft lunar landing. Making a soft landing on the south pole of the lunar surface is an extremely difficult task to pull off because Moon's south pole has the toughest terrains and the coldest temperatures. That part of the Moon which has permanently shaded craters haven't seen sunlight for millions of years. Many attempts by nations to set foot on the South Pole have failed. Israel's Bereshit spacecraft crashed on the Moon in April 2019 while attempting to land close to the South Pole. India's Chandrayan-3 impacted the lunar South Pole. The lander crashed when it deviated from its intended trajectory while attempting to land on the 6th of September 2019. According to a failure analysis report submitted to ISRO, the crash was caused by a software glitch. Then, in August 2023, Russia's Lunar 25 crashed while attempting to reach the South Pole. However, India made history by successfully proving a soft landing on the South Pole of the Moon. Countries are competing to establish bases on the lunar South Pole for a variety of reasons. It is thought by scientists to have a large reserve of water ice in the darkened craters. Future space travel will greatly benefit from the existence of water because it can be turned into resources like drinking water, oxygen, and hydrogen for rocket fuel. Aside from that, everything caught at the South Pole would remain frozen in place with little chance of changing because of the extraordinarily freezing temperatures there. Soil and rocks in this area may hold information about the early solar system. Volatile substances like methane and ammonia may also be present at the South Pole of the Moon. These volatiles might also serve as a source of materials for upcoming human experimentation. The largest impact basin on the Moon, the South Pole Aitken Basin, is located there. It can be studied to learn more about how our natural satellite formed and developed. The lunar South Pole is also important for radio astronomy. The sole undiscovered window in astronomy is the region of the EM spectrum below 30 MHz, due to the Earth's substantial radio interference. The far side of Malapert Mountain, which is close to the lunar South Pole, may be a viable location for radio astronomy in order to avoid interference. On the Moon's surface, the Vikram lander will now conduct scientific investigations. The thermal conductivity and surface temperature will be measured by the chased payload. The seismic activity near the landing site will be measured by the ILSA payload. Over time, the Langmuir probe will calculate the near-surface plasma density. The lunar surface's mineral makeup will be investigated by the payloads on the Pragyan rover. The lander and rover are designed to last for one lunar day, that is 14 days on Earth. Following Chandrayan-3, Aditya L1 is anticipated to launch in September 2023. It will be the first Indian mission to study the Sun from space. One of the biggest solar riddles, the corona heating issue, will be the main focus of this solar mission. The question is why the corona, the topmost part of the Sun's atmosphere, is 1,000,000 degrees Celsius, but the Sun's surface temperature is only roughly 5,900 degrees Celsius. What is causing the Sun's corona to heat up so intensely? Aditya L1 will additionally research the Sun's magnetic field and space weather. It will be intriguing to see what cosmic secrets these two expeditions will reveal. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give a like and don't forget to subscribe.